Beautiful home in Brandon Hills Subdivision. Open floor plan, 2,041 square feet. Home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The large great room features a gas logs fireplace and is open to the formal dining room, eat-in kitchen, and breakfast bar. Roomy eat-in kitchen with pantry, plenty of cabinets and workspace, and granite countertops. Huge master suite with sitting area which could double as an office space. The master bathroom boasts a beautiful tiled garden tub area and a large closet. Split plan bedrooms with 2 bedrooms and bathroom on opposite side of house to the master bedroom. Large laundry room leading into a generous-sized garage with plenty of storage. There is relatively new LVP flooring in the living room, dining room, and kitchen. There is carpet in the bedrooms and tile in the wet areas. Relax on